A jacket that becomes a bag. Sleeves clip down to become straps. The bottom zips closed so the bag can be filled. Hood folds over to close the bag. A chair that becomes a bed. Wheels illuminate as night lights. Seat inflates to become a pillow. Back unfolds to make a mattress. Making do. Sometimes inventors have to make do with limited resources. An explosion on board one early moon mission meant scientists on Earth had to invent a way for astronauts to deal with the damage using just a few simple materials, such as tape, plastic bags, and socks. What could you create using just these 5 materials? Cans, rubber bands, pencils, cardboard box, balloons. What could each material do? Add more ideas here. Rubber bands hold things together, make sound when plucked. Cardboard box, body of an instrument or vehicle, shelter. Balloons, flotation device, water container. Cans, drums, wheels. Pencils, drumsticks, axle for wheels. Scribble lines between ideas that might work together. Design your invention here. Add labels to show what each part does. How about an air-powered vehicle? Air from balloon pushes it along. Cardboard box body. Elastic band holds it together. Cans for wheels. A floating delivery device. Balloons filled with hot air. Can basket. Pencil landing legs. Give your invention a name. Impossible inventions. Occasionally a new idea comes along that seems impossible at the time, but becomes possible later. Here are some famous inventions that people used to think were impossible. Personal computers. In the 1940s, computers filled whole rooms and could only do a limited range of tasks. There was no way at that time to make them smaller or more powerful. And now, today, new computers, chips makes it possible for many people to own a small, powerful computer. Televisions. The first television was invented in the 1920s. It worked, but it wasn't possible to make in large numbers. Now, new manufacturing methods mean there's one in almost every household. Hoverboards. For many years, hoverboards were found only in sci-fi books and movies. But today, hoverboards like this are for sale all over the world. Imagine another impossible invention. You never know. Maybe someday in the future, everyone will have one. How about anti-gravity shoes? A device to control the weather. An insta-transportation machine. Upgrade an invention. Inventors don't always create something new. Often they just improve something that already exists. For example, steam trains were replaced with more powerful diesel trains, then more environmentally friendly electric trains. Can I make it safer, easier to use, cheaper, faster, more environmentally friendly? Think of ways to improve these inventions. Refrigerator. Reminds you when food is going bad. That would be cool. Powered by renewable energy. Keeps food chilled, then cooks it at the present time. Bicycle. Battery to store energy from pedaling and braking. Hand warmers built into the handlebars. Airbag to break the rider's fall if there's a crash. Car. Fold out wings so it can fly. Robotic driver. Floats and a propeller so it can travel across water. Improve one of your own inventions from somewhere in this book. Original invention. What's the point? Most inventions are created to solve problems, but not all have to be useful. Some are just for fun. Use this space to come up with your own pointless but fun inventions. Accessories for plants. Pet wigs. Worm umbrella. Give it a name. Every good invention needs a memorable name. Add words to the mind maps to come up with a name for each invention. Self-cleaning shoes. Name. Good as new, shiny shoe. Shiny, sparkly, new. Catchy names often rhyme or repeat the same first letter. Simple is best. A ball that automatically returns to its owner. Catch, bounce, return. A phone that never runs out of battery power. Non-stop, forever, always. Name. Many minds. Most everyday items aren't invented by a single person. They're a combination of ideas from different people. Take the examples below. Work out which inventions help to create each one. Then write the numbers in the boxes. 1. Cameras. 2. Windshield wipers. 3. Potato snacks. Barbara Askins. In 1978, I invented a way to improve the quality of photos using radioactive materials. It's especially useful for photos taken in space. George Crum. In 1853, I developed a popular snack by thinly slicing and frying potatoes. Mary Anderson. In 1903, I patented a rubber blade that people could move by hand to see clearly while driving. Robert Kearns. In 1964, I helped drivers to see better in light rain by inventing a way to control how often rubber blades move. IBN L. Hatham. In the 11th century, I built a dark room in which light captured from the outside could be used to produce an image. Charlotte Bridgewood. In 1917, I invented an electronic device to help drivers see through rain and snow. Laura Scudder. In 1926, I invented a way of sealing food in wax paper bags to keep it fresh. William Henry Fox Talbot. In the 1830s, I invented a way of leaving a permanent image on a piece of paper by shining light onto it for a few minutes. Louis Daguerre. In the 1830s, I invented a way to make images on chemical-coated sheets of copper.